Hello, this is Ebonygeek. You're always welcome to join me in expanding your knowledge base. Comments are always welcome, and please subscribe.
Hello, this is Ebonygeek45, and I have a helpful hint for you. As you remember, we was working on our little cheapy homemade grid with the cardboard. I had pretty much sworn off of using the female to male hookup wires. The reason why I did it is because I was saying that when you try to put them on, it doesn't stick. Now the reason why I was saying that was because, and if I could even get it on, I was trying to put it on and it wouldn't go on any further. Okay. The reason why I said that is because I really don't have too much experience using these, and it wasn't working for me. But like Timothy was telling me, you just got to give it a little twist. Put it in a little socket. And twist. Okay, once you got it twisted on, as you can see, I've been putting a little bit of pressure on it, so the little lead is a little bent. You want to try to keep from doing that, because the more you do that, the harder to be able to get on there. But it does work. So just twisting it on. And as you can see, it's on there pretty tight. Good hint from Timothy. So it does work. And so I'll be using it. So just check out my next video where we will be hooking it up to our Uno. And maybe even using our proto shield. I don't know, but I think I'm going to do it with the Uno and just leave it at that. So be sure to take a look at it. Have a great rest of your day. Happy tinkering, happy coding. Today is a great day to learn something. Bye-bye.
I'm Ebonygeek, and I hope that the information provided has been helpful to you. Please remember to subscribe. Happy building and happy coding.